Hello folks, and welcome to our channel. As we get started today, this is a new channel, and what we're doing is basically we're going to do my van build from start to finish. I just bought this van. It's a 95 G30, and we got hammered, lucky us. But anyway, the two side cargo doors are totally rusted out at the bottom, so I got fortunate and found a set at a local junkyard for about 120 bucks for all said and done. And what we're going to do is, if you look here, is we're going to take and pull all this rubber stripping off here and get it ready, sand these out, get it ready to put back new rubber stripping back in, and paint the doors white to match the van. Take this window tinting off, it's pretty much seen its better days, and do a few little odds and ends. And I'm going to do this slowly. Well, not so slowly, but you know, it's going to take a little while to do it, as we're in the process of being between jobs, so the financial situation is going to be a little guessy. But pardon the wind noise. I'm going to take you around here and show you the bottom of these doors. Well, you can see right here, something happened that hammered that door forward. And if you watch, when I open it, you'll see that it drops. Not good. So what we have here is just total eclipse of disaster. And this side is just as bad. So it's easier to replace them. As you can see here, I'll show you put some still shots in here. This was completely rusted out and gone. We've had to rebuild it. There's one or two little spots in here that here and here that need to be finished up. And then we can start with the flooring. Hopefully it'll go all right. But as you can see, these doors definitely need some work. So without further ado, these are actually pretty easy to get off, and I have a tool here somewhere. Oh, isn't this the way it usually goes? Yeah. 10 minutes doing a job, 2 hours looking for the tool you had in your hand 10 minutes ago. And that's what we're doing now. Well, sweet. But yeah, these are held on with mostly adhesive, but if you look right in here, you'll see a little plastic insert that goes into these little holes that helps hold it in. So we'll be taking them out. They usually come out pretty good. And oh, come on, really? Really? What is it? Oh, this is crazy. Alright, well, anyway, flat screwdriver will work just as well putting it in there. Sometimes you might have to use a pair of pliers to pull it out because it'll pop off the rubber. But I'm going to go look for my tool. I'll get back to you as soon as I find it. See you later. Back again, and I found the tool. Guess where it was? Right where I left it. But this is, it's not no special tool. I picked it up, I think it like one of the True Values or something, you know, where you walk in and you see the counter and it's $1.99 this, $1.99 that, $2.49. But it works really good for getting in there and popping that out. It's easier to do with two hands, but there. You see, that's all that is. It's just a little plastic clip, and they're all around this door, and they're on both of them. And I managed to pick up the seals for the side doors and the front doors through Rock Auto for a total of, when everything's said and done, taxes, shipping, and all that, it's going to be $102. So we're just going to go ahead and replace them all, and I have to pick up a set of the back ones here because they're not in a bad shape, but they're not in the greatest either. You can see a few years of use there. So anyway, let me go ahead and get this done, and we'll get back.